In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in Outlook. If your messages and calendar entries don't look quite right because of the way dates or times are displayed, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust them so they match your preference or local standard. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website from the results to get to your mailbox. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to open the Settings panel. This is where you can control how Outlook looks and behaves. In the Settings panel, select General. On some layouts, you might need to choose See All Outlook Settings first to view the full list, then pick General. From there, click Language and Time. This section controls how Outlook presents dates and times, which affects the message list, message headers, and your calendar. Let's adjust the date first. Open the Date Format menu and choose the style you want. For example, you might prefer month, day, month, or year, or a format that uses the month name. The choice you make determines how dates appear across Outlook, so pick the one that matches your region or the standard your team uses. If you often work across regions, think about choosing a format that avoids confusion, such as including the month name to make the day and month clear at a glance. Next, update the time format. You can choose between the 12-hour clock with AM and PM or the 24-hour clock. Select the option you're most comfortable with. This change affects timestamps on emails and how times show up on your calendar and reminders. If you schedule a lot across time zones, a 24-hour format can help reduce misunderstandings for early morning or late evening times. Once you've chosen your preferred date and time formats, click Save to apply the changes. Your mailbox should reflect the new formats immediately. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or open a new message to confirm the change. Keep in mind, these settings apply to Outlook on the web. If you also use the desktop app, it may follow your computer's regional settings, so you might need to adjust those separately. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, went into Settings, selected General, opened Language and Time, picked your date and time formats, and saved. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a mailbox that shows time exactly the way you want.